Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution. There are many formulae in real life that have important applications. The word formulae is the plural of the word formula. Formula ends in an A. When you add an E on, that's the plural, which means more than one. Formulae are made up of pronumerals and numbers. At times, we will be given the value of all but one of the pronumerals, and we are asked to find the value of the remaining one. Some important formulae that we have already used are A equals L times B, the area of a rectangle. A equals half times B times H, area of a triangle. P equals 2L plus 2B, perimeter of a rectangle, and D equals S times T, the relationship between distance, speed and time. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. If V equals U plus AT, find the value of V when U equals 6, A equals 9.8 and T equals 10. This is a very important formula in science, and there are units involved here, but I haven't worried about the units. Just for the sake of substitution, I've just put down the numbers. So, if we substitute each of those numbers there for the respective letters, we get that. We do the multiplication first to give us 98. That's because of order of operations. So V equals 104, so 104. Here's another very important equation in physics. In science, no units, just numbers. So when we substitute each of those numbers for the given pronumerals, we have this line here. Now, 8 times 4 is 32, so we have to do that part. Then we do all of that because of order operations. We don't do any addition yet, that's last. So when we work out that section there, we get a half times 9.8 times 16. So that part is 78.4. So when we add those together, we get 110.4. For number 3, here's our given equation. These are the values of B and C. We substitute those in, and we move through, and we get A equals 41. For number 4, here is our equation, and we're asked to find the positive value of W if M equals 5 and K equals 12. It's very important, the positive value. So we have W squared equals 5 squared plus 12 squared. W squared equals 25 plus 144. W squared equals 169. Now normally the value for W would have two values, but I've asked you to find the positive value, so we put plus the square root of 169, so W equals 13, because 13 is the square root of 169. Here is another equation here, and we have to find Y if K equals 40, A equals 3 and B equals 6. So once we substitute the numbers in, that's what we get. 3 6s are 18. Subtract 18 from both sides to give us that working. When we simplify that out, we get 22 equals 2y. We divide both sides by 2 to give us 11 equals y, or y equals 11. So this video has given us a basic introduction into the topic of substitution. In this particular case, we've been given a number of formulae, that's in this video. We've been given the value of most of the pronumerals, and we just have to find the value of the unknown pronumeral.